Hi there, this is Gabriel from CPAP.tv, and I am bringing you the S9 series by Resmed. This happens to be an actual escape. The S9 has different versions of CPAPs, autos, BiPAPs, and this is just your entry-level S9. They all look the same, and they all have mostly the same functionality and the exact same uses and utilities, so we're just going to go over it. The S9 comes in two parts, okay? And we're going to flip this over so you can see. There's the plug in the back. It's got the filter back here. Okay, that can be changed frequently. That pops in. It has your ID card, the SD card for your information. Back here is your connection for the hose, but let me show you how you would take the machine apart if you wanted to separate it from the humidifier. That's the way you would separate it, okay? So it just pops off with the button and then connects again. Your climate line hosing, if you have an upgraded climate line, goes in here. And this normally comes covered if you're not going to use it, but you would go in and turn and it clicks and locks. Okay, so now your humidifier is inside of here. This comes out. You fill up your water tank up to the max line with distilled water. Go back in and close, make sure it's locked. Okay, and now we'll go to the actual functions of the machine. The S9 is as simple as turning it on once it's been programmed for you, where you just turn it on and off. The machine goes to its required pressure, and that would be as simple as easy as turning it on and off. But it does have a lot more functionalities that I'm going to show you. I'm going to shut it off. There is a little house, there's a water drop, and there's a green little triangle. Let's go to the green triangle. Move your dial down. The triangle is called the ramp. This unit has the functionality of a ramp anywhere from 5 minutes to 45 minutes. It can be changed if the clinician menu has allowed it to go as high as 45 or as low as 5. This is for patient access. If you want to use the ramp to start your machine a little bit slower in pressure so it can build up, you can control the time, but it has to be accessed in the back mode. So I have it there for 30 minutes. If you go to the next little icon, it's a little water drop. This is for the temperature control of your humidifier. It's controlled by degrees Fahrenheit in this case. If you wanted to change it, you press the button. You can go as high as 86, and you can go as low as 60, or you can shut it off. You can still have water in the humidifier, have it off, and you're still getting some type of humidity. Not a lot, but you are. So always make sure you have the water chamber filled. Now, on and off is this button. It's off. If your clinician requires, your medical equipment company or physician's office wants more information regarding the use, this is an information that you can do. You press the I, there's a little I here, you press that, turn the button once to the right, and it will give you a reading. It'll say period, 1 day, 1 month, 6 months, a year, and it'll say days greater than 4 hours, and there's a little reading on that. Then it'll give you average usage, and then it gives you used hours. Okay? So, press I, bring it back to the main screen, and on and off. And this is the basic uses of the Resmed S9.